IP camera versus analog camera. Here, I will explain to you the IP camera features. Our IP cameras, they're compatible with any web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Internet Explorer. As you could also see, the graphic user interface is very simple and understandable. The IP camera supports mobile phones, such as iPhones, iPads, Android phones, and Android tablets. Watch it anytime, anywhere. Ability to monitor up to 128 cameras. You will get superior HD image resolution. Object zoom in, image stays with good quality. Side-by-side comparison. IP camera, you will still be able to read what's on the background. And the analog camera, you will not be able to tell what is on the background, only shapes and colors. PoE compatible, one cable has the solution. As you see here, we have a 1080p video resolution, shrink to fit the screen, and we will zoom in 200%. The distance is 65 to 70 feet. Image stays with good quality. They're all compatible with OnBeef Profile OS, meaning any MBR with OnBeef Profile OS is compatible. Easy installation, minimal tools required. Thank you for watching. Visit us at LTScalifornia.com and visit our website LTSecurityinc.com.